Welcome to my walk report of the Lost Valley or Hidden Valley in Glencoe. Formed like Glencoe in the glacial period, the Lost Valley was formerly used by Clan MacDonald to hide their livestock, whether their own or stolen. The valley itself is a wide flat glen, although this is not apparent from Glencoe, hence the term Hidden Valley. The drive to the starting point is stunning. I hope you enjoy this part of the video. The route to the valley is a relatively easy climb from the A82 in Glencoe, taking 2 to 3 hours and with an elevation gain of around 335 metres, so it's a good walk for a starter walk for the year. To access the route, you need to arrive early. I didn't, and the car park was absolutely full. The nearest I could get was about 2 miles down the road, adding an extra 4 miles to my trek. So my starting point was not where I wanted to be. I couldn't even see the normal start. A quick look around. I mustn't forget to admire the landscape. The real start begins. There are steps down to the bridge over the River Coe. And an opportunity to stop and watch the river. After what can be considered stone steps, the climb up the opposite side is assisted with a rope support. After the climb from the river, the path is a mix of stone steps and level ground, with a few awkward bits here and there. Ooh, hard going this. Don't forget to look behind you. There is a good view after you get above the tree line. There is a significant amount of water coming down the stream, and I did have some concern over the water crossing I knew was coming soon. I needn't have worried. Although I did need my walking pole, I wasn't as sure-footed as some of the younger walkers. The sides of the valley soon came into view. There was quite a crowd of people looking over the valley. I think they had decided not to bother descending to the valley floor. Even after all the rain we've had recently, the valley floor remains dry, although the stream that can be seen from the other end of the valley must run beneath the stones. On the last occasion Ian and I did this walk, we tried this route to descend, but it became impassable after a while. The descent starts here. At last, the car is in sight. A quick look round before I finish. After a quick trip to the Clachay Inn at Glencoe, I headed for home. I couldn't resist a quick stop at the Loch Bar viewpoint. According to Wikipedia, Loch Bar is a shallow, irregular freshwater loch on Rannoch Moor.